Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Peugeot 3008 on a 72 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. As you can see, the tailgate on this car opens electronically. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, which you can increase further by folding down either or both of the 60/40 split folding rear seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. As you can see, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. Above that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we are in park at the moment. At the bottom of that section are the total miles for this car. They are only 3,514. If we back out to the steering wheel next, over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have our stereo and phone controls. Over on the right-hand side, phone controls continue. And behind the steering wheel, we have a minus and plus pedal. That is so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center next, we've got the main touchscreen. So we're on the audio menu at the moment. You can see it says sources just here. So if you hit that, you'll then see we've got our radio, DAB, FM radio. We've also got Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. And we've got USB input and iPod input as well. The controls for the different options on the screen are all here. So we were just in the audio screen. If I press this button, we are then in climate control, for example. So you can adjust the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed, up and down, the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. And when you're happy with those settings, air conditioning is on, off, and you can hit auto if you wish to. And as you can hear now, the car has taken full control to maintain those temperatures for me. I can turn that off and override it back into my own settings whenever and however I wish to from there. We've got the satellite navigation. So hit that button, you'll get a nice clear color display as you can see. We've got a car settings menu. We have of course got our telephone menu. So once you've paired your phone, you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. And we've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available, and all the features that come with that, of course. Working our way down are all the buttons I just went through. We've got our hazard warning lights at the end as well. We've got a heated passenger seat, as you can see, with 3 heat settings, and the same for the driver's side. Deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. Heated rear screen. That'll divert the car's air conditioning to the front screen. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set. And we've got the main volume for the stereo there as well. Storage, USB input, a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the start and stop button for the engine just here, with an electronic handbrake, and you can change the driving mode of the car so you can put it into sport, for example. The last thing I wanted to mention is the V5 registration document that you see just here, showing that this car is a one-owner car from new. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.